Just give your first initial impressions of what you think this is.
From the name of the website, I think it's something to pick up, and I see there's some fruits name, so it's a fruit pickup, I guess. Is that what I mean? Right.
Okay. So it's a limited design currently because it's in the wireframe page.
Yes.
But do you think the layout looks decent, or what do you think about the design of it?
So far it looks good. I can see the weather there, and also this project, this website concerns about the calendar map and the search, whatever. So I think so far so good.
Okay. So.
Yeah, good.
Okay, so we can get into the tasks. So the scenario is you've heard about this is the season of cherries, and you plan on going cherry picking. Your friend knew about your plan, and he or she wants to pick strawberries. So you want to pick cherries, they want to pick strawberries. However, you're not sure what seasons have both fruits and which farm to go to. So you need to find a farm that has both cherries and strawberries for picking and send that information to yourself.
Okay. So start from find the fruits by calendar.
And also, like, if you can describe how you're getting to those stages.
Okay. Which season is it? Spring?
So, you want
Does he assume that?
You basically just want to find a farm that has both cherries and strawberries in season.
Okay, so strawberry here. To find a strawberry. Oh, that's cool. And cherry, right? Cherry. Then try to find farms here. Yeah, I'm done. I can see.
Okay, and you also want to send this information to yourself.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. So we can send the information. No, I can see. Where can I find it? Send the information to myself. No,
also,
I
if you just back up your head a little bit.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Because it's like really close.
I tried to.
That's okay.
See it. No, I didn't see any info to send it to myself. Where is it?
Where would you expect to see it?
If I want to send off the information to myself, I want to see this corner or wherever. But here I didn't see anything to share the keyword to share or whatever.
Okay, so it's a little tougher because again it's a paper prototype and it's in the wireframe stage. But so you
or can I just go to Facebook to share everything from this page? I don't know.
Well, I'll just read the instructions one more time.
Okay.
So you want to find a farm that has both cherries and strawberries in season. After finding the farm, send that farm's information to yourself.
Only just one farm, is that what I mean?
Yep.
Okay, then I'll pick this one farm. Then send email to myself, right? Click here, email.
Okay. Is that what you expect the process to do?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what you would expect?
Right.
Okay. All right. So if you feel that you've completed that task, you would just say that I think that I'm done with that task.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. So for each one, you just say I think I'm done.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, very good. So we can move on to task 2. You want to choose a farm for your trip. We'll actually go back to the home page. So you want to choose a farm. You want to choose a farm for your trip and plan a route to go via the map. This is a new place for you, so you need to print the itinerary after planning all these routes.
Okay.
Choose a farm from the map and then set an itinerary.
Send to myself too?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start from find a farm by map. Then I'll choose. Do I need to set up the current location designation? The current location, whatever, or choose the one here.
It's gonna be 3D.
Then I'll find the location if it related to, the direction. To find the direction. And next is to send information.
Yeah, send the itinerary, the directions to yourself so you can print them out.
Again, where can I send the information? Can I close this one? Is there anything happen there?
This page.
Really? Okay. So I can get email myself here. I think I'm done. The task.
So you feel that by clicking the email, you're sending yourself the directions or the map?
The map.
Okay.
I couldn't find the direction. The icon to send the email here. I didn't see it.
Okay.
Or print it? Do I need to print it here? Print. Can I go back to print?
Yep.
That's it? Oh, okay, that's it.
Is that where you'd expect to see the print button?
No.
Where would you like to see it?
I want to see the print after the direction because I will check the direction first. Not really at the bottom, at top. Or maybe because I didn't type in my own location here, so I didn't see the button on the top.
Okay, so you'd expect to see it.
Yeah,
lower.
I already get used to the Google Map, I guess. So the goal also should be, I don't know, under those two addresses, I guess.
Okay.
Already get used to the Google Map. That's what I mean. Yeah. That's it.
Okay, so you're all done with that. Very good. We can move on to task 3. We'll end up back at the home screen again. So the scenario this time was it was a great trip for fruit picking, and you took several photos. You are happy with this experience and want to share these pictures of that farm on its gallery page. So you need to upload a photo to the farm's gallery.
Okay. So I think I have to sign in first to see the page. Sign in. And yeah, username and password, the login. Then go to the forum. What is that? What is
Events.
this? Oh, events.
Yes, events.
Oh, really? And can I go to my profile page? Is there a profile page?
No.
No.
It's not built up.
But
That's what I expect to upload my photos actually.
So is there any place from here, because you wanted to share these pictures of that farm on a gallery page?
Farm gallery. So I have to find a farm first. Is that what you mean? To go to that farm. Then search the keywords to see that farm. Okay. Well, before this page, I expect there's a list of that keywords farm. The list of the farms. Did you get it? Then.
So you would, instead of, so the way you find a farm is by doing what again?
After I will insert the keywords first. So there's a page to show up the list of that keywords related to the keywords. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah. Then after that, I pick up one farm from the list. Then it will show up those information.
Okay, so let's say that, let's back up a second. You can take this page off. So from this page, is there any other way you would find the farm other than using the keywords?
Or go back to the map again to find the farms.
But your first instinct would be to use the keywords?
Because I already went there, so I know which farm I'm going, actually. I was going. So I will just use the keyword. That will be faster.
Okay.
So, yeah, go to this page to add my photo here.
Okay. And real quick, we'll just go back one more time.
Okay.
Is there any other ways do you think you can get to that?
Any other way?
Yes.
Well, no, I don't think so.
Okay. Okay, so we can just move forward.
So add my photo. Then, yeah, just pick whatever pictures here. Then upload it. Okay.
Okay, and that's what you'd expect to do to upload a photo?
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Alright, very cool. So we can move on to task 4. So the scenario this time is, since the last time was such a great experience, you want to plan another trip to go there. You want to check any events for this Saturday and choose one of the events to go with your friend. After you find an event, send an email of this event to your friend. So basically you're choosing an event for this Saturday, and you want to email that event to your friend.
So because he already mentioned the event, so click pick up the event. And does he mention which date?
Sorry?
Does he mention which date?
Just Saturday.
Oh, Saturday.
I
Whatever.
guess March 23rd.
March 23rd. Okay. Click up. March 23rd. This, like this. Then pick up one event to see the information. And send email to my friends, or
Yeah, you want to send it to your
send
friend.
email to my friends. That's it? Okay. But I have some suggestions for this one, actually. First of all, the events is not really, how can I say, obvious enough on this whole page. If I didn't do the wrong task from the last task, I didn't notice there's an events over there. It should be, I don't know, somewhere really more obvious, like kind of like here, a big navigation here. That'll be better. And this one is kind of confusing of the design. You just highlight the event I pick up, or you should have a really pop up or a light box to show out the whole event. That'll be better. I know, because it's prototype, it's not really obvious from here. I didn't see anything. It's I pick or whatever. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So we can move on to the final task, task 5. And let's say that you're the owner of Bikinis Fruit Tree Farm. I think I'm saying that right, but Bikinis or Pacini's Fruit Tree Farm. Okay, so you're the owner. And you hear about that you can promote your farm by creating an account on the uPick website. You're planning to register an account on uPick.
Okay. Oh, that's it?
Yeah, so you register a web page for your farm.
From uPick, so I see uPick here. Click on uPick. No?
It's information about the website. The whole website.
Oh, it's what's uPick? Is that what
Yeah.
it is? Then, okay. Then sign in. Login.
You got it.
Oh, I have to register.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm a farmer. So, type the information, blah, blah, blah. Here, then.
Here's your
Is
information.
that the information you'd expect to see?
No, I mean, because I'm going to register, so those information I have to type it by myself, right? Isn't it? Is that? Wait. Yeah. And description will have the products of the season, my first season. Then, for 1, for 2. Yeah, I will have the cherry fruit, strawberry here to pick up. Then image to upload it. Then submit. Also my email. Is there any email? No. What
You can. Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
It's not necessary.
Now it's really important to have the whole information for the farmers, I think. So submit. What is the next page I have to do? The next step.
So you basically just want to register your web page for your farm.
Oh, okay. For my farm, so I already done everything and this preview looks good, so I submit this one.
Okay.
I think I'm done.
Alright, and if you were to go back
Uh-huh.
here and you hit submit, would you expect to see this or just a
No,
finish?
it should be the preview one,
Okay.
I think. Yeah, I didn't see the preview. I didn't notice it.
Okay.
And I have a question about it. It's the general user had also see the same page as here, like the photo gallery. It's kind of confusing for it. I guess there's some mistake. Not really mistake. How can I say? Because no one can really match the photos here. It's those pictures from the farmers themselves or the user. They combine with the user. It's kind of weird part. You know what I mean? Okay, great. That's it.
Okay, so we are all done with all those tasks. If you could just give some opinions about these screens and designs. I mean, of course it's the wireframe, but however you feel like the layout looks, or is there any information that you think is missing?
Well, let me check it.
Or that you'd like to see?
I'm kind of wondering what those stuff is going to work on. Like, after I click the image, what's going on for the next page? Is that different from if I choose from the calendar directly, or what the information is going to be?
So you just want to explore more?
Right. And if it's updated information, then why events is only put on the really small corner there? It doesn't make sense, I think.
So you have like a larger navigation or a
For
more
the
visual
event.
hierarchy
Right.
than I have. And how did you feel about Find Farms by Calendar?
Farm? Oh, that's farm, not fruits.
Oh, is it fruits or farm?
I think it's fruits.
Oh, fruits.
I find
Okay.
That's cool because it's really convenient for the user who doesn't know about the season, the first season. It's really good.
Okay. Do you have any other comments?
So far, so good. No, I don't.
All right. So then we are all done.